Hello friend, welcome back. This month in February 2023 we have added lots of update on all the products. So let's see like what all new features and updates has been added which can make your life more easy and how things are evolving at SelectorsHub. So we'll walk you guys through all the tools under SelectorsHub and what all their new updates. So let me just go to resources blog, and here this is the latest blog. You guys can always found here like whenever there will be new changes. So the very first thing is testing daily. So if you are not aware, if you're new to testing daily is the new app which we recently launched. It is available as a mobile app browser extension, so you can add it in your browser as well as you can install it on your phone to get all the latest updates from different platforms, a very curated information, all the articles from different bloggers, creators, experts in testing. So these are some of the new features which we have added on Testing Daily mobile app based on the users feedback, community experts feedback. So first thing is option to show the password. So earlier, like while login you were not able to see the password, so now we have added that option. Fix for the rotating screen. So earlier there was an issue when you rotate your mobile while watching a video, then it used to UI was breaking. Fixed for customizing the YouTube feed, there was a small fix. Made the link, if there was a link, if you will see in the description while using the Testing Daily app, now you will see that link will be clickable. uh, we have also moved the watch and read button below upvote and comment. So what was so this was the thing, like earlier you were seeing that watch button and read article button in mobile app, that was pretty much at the bottom of the screen. Now we have made it little upside so that it is easily accessible. When you will open, you will see open the app first time, you will see that now it will be showing the rotating logo, so you will feel that okay, a screen is loading. So this is a for just better user experience. There was a small fix required for the input box while comment, and we added the logo on the sign up screen and forgot password screen. There was no logo. Fixed for the search, there was some issue in the search, so those are also fixed now. And there were like couple of minor issues and performance improvements are always being done. So yes, so these are the updates from the Testing Daily side. uh, if you haven't installed it, just go to SelectorsHub website here and you can get the Testing Daily, all the things here, all the download and install link. Add it in your browser, install it on your phone. You can also access as a web application, so highly recommended that you add it in your browser, and whenever next time you will open new tab, you will see this kind of feed. So it will add certain uh, always it will add some value in your like knowledge and career. So very helpful. Then next we have added a major fix, very important fix in SelectorsHub. A couple of people has reported that we right click, and like let's say you are right clicking here on courses and copying this value from here, so value was not getting copied. So now this issue is fixed and you can copy the value, and you can see that this issue is fixed. I will just show you guys here in GitHub repo. This issue is already closed, so you can always see it here. XPath is not, I try to install, so that issue is fixed here, like copying the value from context menu. So it was major issue, and in fact it was also reported here uh, in SelectorsHub. I will just show you guys. If like somebody has reported here, and if you are watching this video, so you will get to know that like when I try to copy, it doesn't work. So this issue has been fixed now. uh, Anas, Khalil, and Rosen, two people has reported this issue. So guys, this issue is fixed now, so you can see that we have also, like I have added the issue and the detail everything, so please check it out. Like we used to carefully monitor these things and always fixed on priority. So this issue was fixed with 4.6.5. so if you still facing this issue, please update to the latest version of SelectorsHub from the Chrome store. here. You can just update it. Then same issue is was like some people faced on Pro version as well, so that is also fixed. So if you are using SelectorsHub Pro, then you will be able to copy the value from here. So you can see that value was like visible, but earlier you were not able to copy. Now you would be able to copy it. Then next, test case studio. So in test case studio, we added a feature to get the like system information, like what browser version, what OS you are working on, what OS version you are working on. So now that is for that we have added, like we have improved that feature, and now whenever you will open test case studio, you will see upfront those values and like information right there in the test case studio window, like OS, what is OS, and what is OS version, browser name and browser version, resolution, timestamp. So everything you will see it here itself, like in Pro version. So earlier this feature was there in Pro version. In free version, you can just only get this information when you download the file. Now you will see this information here in free version as well. So this feature we have added. We have also fixed for the download button. Few people reported that when you guys were downloading or saving the test case, so this was not working. We have fixed this and it is fixed. So you can check it, like if you feel that there is a issue in test case studio, feel free to let us know that this issue is not yet resolved, though it is already resolved. But yeah, feel free to let us know if there is any issue you found. Please update test case studio also to the latest version. Test case studio Pro. Okay, so for this we we have also fixed the like download issue for this as well, like if some people have faced it. Another thing what we did in test case is what we are adding in test case studio Pro, we are adding the one more feature, which is basically like now you would be able to download the recorded steps in doc format as well. So you see that this is if you will record any test case, then you will be able to record it in doc format. So this is the new feature which is coming in very soon. Also we are adding this feature in like we are adding support, extending support for Firefox as well for test case studio Pro version. So these are not yet released. We are in testing right now. We are testing these features and the Firefox support. Very soon we will release these things. So maybe by this month end or by March first week, you will get these things in your hand. Doc format very soon you guys will get. Next update is on Meetup. We have hosted SelectorsHub Chennai Meetup last Saturday on 4th of February successfully. It was a great success in association with TestLeaf. All thanks to our sponsor TestLeaf and for organizing and sponsoring this event. Couple of folks from Chennai joined, like great community people, Manoj and all has joined there. It was a great event. You guys can check out the pictures here on the SelectorsHub Meetup page. So whenever we host the SelectorsHub Meetup or Rave Test Party, please do join. You will learn a lot of things. You see that lots of people have joined there. Amazing learning it was and great event it was. So all those details you will find it here. Next SelectorsHub Meetup we will announce soon. Next, we are hosting our RTP 4.0 in Ahmedabad this Saturday, 11th of February. If you are there in Ahmedabad or nearby, if you can travel, then please do join. This is going to be one of the biggest QA event, and it will be amazing learning, very helpful for your career, and you will get to meet, like you will get an opportunity to meet like-minded people. Lots of job opportunities will be there. Great learning will be there. So please do join. Here under resources you will find the Rave Test Party registration link. So if you haven't registered yet, please do register, and definitely this will be a great help for you guys and great learning. So these are the updates for SelectorsHub products for February 2023. I hope you guys are loving SelectorsHub tools and they are helping you guys in your day-to-day work. I will request, if you feel that they're helping, please do add review about these products. Also like feel free to present them in any conference, in any meetup or any workshop in your company. You can give presentation on them, And yeah, one of the like great news I would like to share with you guys, that now SelectorsHub is being actually officially listed in Selenium website, and Selenium is recommending SelectorsHub. So that's another great news. All thanks to the Selenium teams. I mean, Selenium team for uh, having trust on SelectorsHub and mentioning here and recommending SelectorsHub. So this is a big news, guys, that now SelectorsHub is there on Selenium documentation and it is being recommended. So this is a great thing. And now feel free to like if somebody wants to present it anywhere, do present in your like company, writing blogs, article, creating tutorials and all. Feel free to do that. Yeah, so those were some of the great updates from SelectorsHub side. And thank you so much for watching. Keep sharing, keep learning, and let others know about these amazing products under SelectorsHub, and help them to save their time and product improve their productivity. And yes, stay updated. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe it now. You will get amazing updates from SelectorsHub side, and definitely there is a new tool which we will be launching next month. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel and share it. Thank you so much for watching.